My name is Abimbola Windapo. I'm a Professor of Construction Management and the Deputy Dean for Postgraduate Studies at the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment, University of Cape Town, and a registered construction manager and mentor with the South African Council for the Projects and Construction Management Professions. I have more than 34 years of experience in research, teaching, and practice in the construction industry and in the management of construction projects. The title of my inaugural lecture is Building Resilient Foundations to Prevent Project Failure. Is there a recipe for success? My lecture will start by introducing the listeners to the problems in construction and highlighting strategies that project stakeholders can use to improve the ability of project processes to withstand possible difficulties and challenges and prevent failure. I'll also highlight my contributions to research in the area of construction business and management. Thank you.